Hello everyone. In the previous video we have discussed conversion from direct form to lattice structure. So in this video we are going to discuss conversion from lattice to direct form structure. Okay. Now the formula to convert from lattice to direct form is something like this. For m is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to the order of the filter, order of the system. So am of 0 is always 1 and am of m is always km, and am of I is equal to am minus 1 of I plus am of m into am minus 1 of m minus I, and here also I is taking the value 1 to m minus 1. Okay, so this is the relation to convert from lattice to direct form structure. So we shall take up an example to convert from lattice to direct form. The problem is, let the coefficient of a three stage FIR lattice structure so B, K1 is 0.1, K2 is 0.2 and K3 is 0.3. What I need to find is, find the coefficient of the direct form structure and draw its block diagram. When they say block diagram, it is nothing but realization. I need to realize it in direct form structure. Okay, so solution. So what are the things they have given? They have given the coefficient of lattice structure, which is, it's a third order. We will be having K1, we will be having K2, and we will be having K3, which is equal to 0.3. Okay, so what is the formula? So it is starting from 1 to till where 3 stage. So 1, 2, 3. M takes a value totally 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll write that. What do we have for m is equal to 1 for first value of m? So a1 of 0 is equal to 1. So a1 of 0 is 1. a1 of 1 is k1. a1 of 1 is equal to k1, and what is the value of k1? K1 value is 0.1, and you stop here. Why? Because this, you don't go for this formula, because I is varying from where to where? 1 to m minus 1, and since we took m is equal to 1, so this equation does not make any sense, right? You stop here for m is equal to 1. Okay, so for m is equal to 2, what do we have? a2 of 0 is equal to 1, a2 of 2 is equal to k2, and what is the value of k2? K2 value is 0.2, right? Okay, now for m equal to 2, what do we have? a2 of I is equal to a1 of I plus a2 of 2 into a1 of 2 minus I, and I taking the value only 1, because I is varying from 1 to m minus 1. Since m is equal to 2, I takes only one value, which is 1. Okay, so what do we have? a2 of I is equal to a2 of 2 minus 1, which is a1 of I plus a2 of 2 into a m minus 1, which is 1 of 2 minus I, and I is taking only one value, right? So for I is equal to 1, so a2 of 1 is equal to what? a1 of 1 plus a2 of 2 into a1 of 2 minus 1 is 1. and this is equal to, what is the value of a1 of 1? a1 of 1 is 0.1 plus what is the value of a2 of 2? a2 of 2 value is 0.2 into a1 of 1, which is 0.1. This ends up with 0.12. Okay, so we got the value of a2 of 1. This is for m equal to 2, right? Now for m equal to 3, so for m equal to 3, for m equal to 3, so what do we have? a3 of 0 is equal to 1, a3 of 3 is equal to what? k3, and which is equal to what? What is the value of k3? The value of k3 is 0.3, so which is 0.3, right? Now a3 of I is equal to a2 of I plus a3 of 3 into a2 of 3 minus I. This is as per the formula, and I is taking value. This is as per this formula for m equal to 3. So as per this formula, I is varying from where to where? So I take two value 1, 2, right? So I is taking the value 1, 2. So for I is equal to 1, what do we have? a3 of 1 is equal to a2 of 1 plus a3 of 3 into a2 of 2, right? And this is equal to 0.12 plus 0.3 into 0.2. This value is 0.18. Okay, so for I is equal to 2, we have a3 of 2 is equal to a2 of 2 plus a3 of 3 into a2 of 1, and this is equal to 0.2 plus a3 of 3 is 0.3 into a2 of 1 is 0.12. So this ends up with 0.236. So for a third order system, what and all we needed was a3 of 1, a3 of 2, and what we need is a3 of 3, right? Because h of z is what? H of z is what? 1 plus a3 of 1 z power minus 1 plus a3 of 2 z power minus 2 plus a3 of 3 z power minus 3. This is the system function for a third order system, right? So we want a3 of 1, a3 of 2, a3 of 3. So we have a3 of 3, which is, what is the value of a3 of 3? So a3 of 3 is k3, which is 0.3, right? What is a3 of 2? So we have a3 of 2, which is 0.236. What is a3 of 1? a3 of 1 is 0.18. Okay, so therefore, so a3 of 1 is equal to 0.18, a3 of 2 is equal to 0.236, and a3 of 3 is 0.3.
Now we shall put those a values in our system function h of z. So we have h of z is equal to 1 plus a3 of 1 is 0.18 z power minus 1 plus a3 of 2 is 0.236 z power minus 2 plus a3 of 3 is 0.3 z power minus 3. Now I have to convert it into difference equation so that I can realize it in direct form structure. So for that, what we shall do is we shall write h of z as y of z by x of z, because h of z is y of z by x of z is equal to 1 plus 0.18 z power minus 1 plus 0.236 z power minus 2 plus 0.3 z power minus 3. Now I'll take this x of z to the right hand side. So y of z is equal to x of z plus 0.18 z power minus 1 x of z plus 0.236 z power minus 2 x of z plus 0.3 z power minus 3 x of z. Take inverse z transform on both sides. So what do we get? Y of n is equal to x of n plus 0.18 into inverse transform of this is x of n minus 1 plus 0.236 into inverse transform of this is x of n minus 2 plus 0.3 into x of n minus 3. Now this is the difference equation. Now I have to realize it in direct form one structure. So we have x of n coming here. The coefficient of x of n is 1. This is x of n is fed to a delay element. The output of this is x of n minus 1. Now coefficient of x of n minus 1 is 0.18. These two has to be added, so that we get x of n plus 0.18 into x of n minus 1. Now x of n minus 1 is fed to one more delay element, so that we get x of n minus 2, and coefficient of x of n minus 2 is 0.236, and these two has to be added, and x of n minus 2 is fed to a delay element. We get x of n minus 3, and coefficient of x of n minus 3 is 0.3, and these two has to be added. The output from this adder is our y of n. And what is y of n? It is x of n plus 0.18 x of n minus 1 plus 0.236 x of n minus 2 plus 0.3 x of n minus 3.